Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a networking problem that can be quite tricky to solve. The problem we're tackling involves setting up a complex routing scenario between a phone, Raspberry Pi 1, a VPS, and Raspberry Pi 2. The goal is to route the phone's connections through Pi 1, then to Pi 2, and finally out to the internet. Sounds like quite the challenge, right? Let's dig into the details. In the solution provided, we establish a clear path for the packets to follow. We ensure packet forwarding is enabled on both Raspberry Pis. Update the phone's default gateway to Pi 1. Set up explicit routes for the Wireguard WG tunnel, and configure the routers at both sites to route traffic efficiently. By leveraging routing capabilities and setting up the network to handle the traffic flow seamlessly, we can achieve the desired outcome without the need for additional NAT. It's all about routing the traffic effectively from point A to point B, ensuring that each device along the way knows where to send the packets. By following these steps and optimizing the routing setup, we can successfully guide the traffic from the phone through Raspberry Pi 1, VPS, and Raspberry Pi 2 out to the internet. Remember, efficient routing is key in solving complex networking challenges like this one. Well, there you have it. We've unraveled the intricacies of routing in this challenging network setup. I hope you found this journey through routing and packet forwarding both informative and engaging. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy networking!